Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the GMC, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 GMC Yukon. So right now the current code is the throttle body right there, P0121. Now for the throttle body, this is my new one. I already put in the new one. And I took out the old one. To get to the throttle body is really easy. You just take out the clamps or the intake tube here, the one of the holes right here and one of the holes on the side. Remove the clamp, remove the mass airflow sensor, and then that way you can get access to the throttle body. And then take out the 4 bolts right here, the connector. Now I'm just putting in my new one. This one, the throttle body, the car has a aftermarket throttle body spacer, but for your car you don't have the spacer, so it's fine. This is just aftermarket, just for look. So put in the new one, and this is the part number for the throttle body right there. So I put everything back already. Make sure you check the gasket, make sure it sits on the throttle body, and then reconnect the connector, the 2 holes right here, the mass airflow, tighten the clamp. GMC have a very common issue with the throttle body. And here's the old one. So now I'm gonna clear the code. I'm gonna hold the ignition key for like 10 seconds so it's key on. There you go. Let me show you the code again. Here you go. So this is the original code. This code pops up because I disconnected the sensor. So that's the original code. Now I'm gonna clear it, and then I'm gonna do an idle relearn. Clear it, yes. There you go. And then I'm gonna key off. I'm gonna key it back on again to do the idle relearn. So key on, go back to engine, module setup, idle relearn right there, and it says engine must be off, key on, key is on. There you go. And then press forward to reset. It says please wait. Test complete. There you go. Back out, turn off the car, turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a throttle body replace. GMC has a very common issue on that. The throttle body always goes out. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.